Yes, you read that right on the cover photo. Vans apparently has a brand new military discount program that they're offering. I happened to stumble across it while I was on their website yesterday, and I wanted to make sure to get the information out there for any of y'all who are looking to purchase a kit from Vans. So I totally stumbled across this yesterday by accident. I happened to go to the Vans Aircraft website because I was looking for some information. I'd been talking to somebody about differences with the RV10 and the RV14. I was trying to go and look up some information about the kit prices, and I clicked on order a kit, and as I scrolled down, I stumbled across this button there that said military discount program. And that definitely wasn't there before. So I went ahead and clicked on it. And sure enough, it's a new program that apparently they started July 27th of this year. So just in the last week. And it's a 5% discount on certain items. So I wanted to take the time to share that with you because 5% can really make a big difference in some of these orders. So according to the information on their website, Vans Aircraft is going to be offering a 5% discount on the price of the following Vans airframe kits to U.S. military personnel and veterans who hold an FAA student pilot or higher certificate and who are building an RV for their own personal use. So this discount, it says, is going to be for tail and empennage kits, standard build wing kits, standard build fuselage kits, and finishing kits. Apparently, if you do the quick build, it looks like what they're going to do is apply a discount just to the parts section of that order, not to any of the labor costs. And for RV10 builders, it says that for our finishing kits for the RV10, the price reduction is not applied to the price of the RV10 seat assemblies. This program is open to active duty U.S. military personnel, including National Guard and Reserve. It's open to U.S. veterans, and it's open to retired U.S. military personnel. They have a form that you need to complete, and you have to submit certain documentation to help verify that you are what you say you are and that you are eligible for this program. And then it says that you only have to submit that information once, but you do have to make sure to request the discount anytime you make one of the eligible purchases. So you don't have to keep sending in like your DD-214 or whatnot. You send it in once, and then you just have to make sure to request it the next time you order an eligible kit. It also makes a distinction too that you're not allowed to purchase multiple aircraft at once. The idea is that this is for a service member or veteran or retiree who wants to build their plane. You're allowed to use that discount for that one plane that you're building. So emp, wings, fuselage, finishing, and once that plane is finished and up and flying, then you're eligible to now make another purchase and start having that discount applied to that next aircraft. So you can't buy like 3 different kits to start on 3 different aircraft. You have to do one at a time. So one important thing to note is that it does specifically say this is not something that can be applied to every single item in their store. This is really targeted towards the kits. It doesn't apply to some of the different avionics purchases or whatnot that you can make through the Vans shop online. I really like seeing that they have a stolen valor clause as part of this program. So anybody who they find out has lied and been deceptive about having been a service member or veteran or retiree when they have not, Vans is going to assess a permanent 5% upcharge on any purchases you make from them in the future. So I really like that they put that in there to try and deter any sort of stolen valor. But I wanted to make sure that any of you out there who are watching, who are active duty service members or retirees or veterans, were aware of this program because that 5% discount can really be a lot. For example, on our fuselage kit, if we'd been able to apply that discount when we made our purchase, that would have been over $800. So that really can start to add up quick once you start applying that to all of the different kits. And that's a lot of money that you could use somewhere else in the plane. There's a lot of other information about this program on their website, so I'm going to make sure to put a link down below so you can go to their page and see all of the details about their military discount program and eligibility requirements. And I'll also put a link to the form you have to complete and submit in order for them to be able to verify your eligibility for this discount. If this new information has persuaded any of you who might have been on the fence to go ahead and purchase an empennage kit for your own RV build, please consider going below and clicking on the referral form that I have linked on my website and submitting that to Vans when making your purchase of your empennage kit for any one of the RV models. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but they will send me $100 as a thank you, and it lets me know that someone out there has been enjoying my videos. Also, a little reminder, today is the last day for my t-shirt giveaway, so if you're interested in trying to win one of my Why Buy Planes When You Can Build Them t-shirts or any of the other shirts on my store, make sure to click on the link below to the Instagram page so that you have a chance to enter. I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you, Vans Aircraft, for putting together this military discount program. I think there's going to be a lot of active duty service members, veterans, and retirees out there who are really going to appreciate having this program available to them. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found this information helpful. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so for more videos like these and to follow along as we build our RV tent.